We know that um, Aboriginal people or ancestral people had greater gut diversity than modern people, and there's many reasons for that. But one of the reasons is that people were forced to eat in a more cyclical diet in tune with the seasons, and that resulted in higher gut diversity. So we can take this information that we've learned from studying Aboriginal people and apply it to our own lives by trying to eat more locally and in season. So here's an example of some local foods. I think I made this slide in the fall for something else, but now in the spring, you could think of eating asparagus and nettles and watercress and overwintered spinach or green garlic, ramps. So you get the idea. Eating with the seasons can help to create cycles in our gut biome that overall improve the diversity of it. And why should you care? How does this even relate to inflammation? Well, there's a whole tome of research showing that lower levels of gut diversity, so when you don't have as many different gut microbes, you're more likely to have chronic conditions. Poor digestive health is associated with low diversity. High diversity helps us digest more things and helps get more nutrients, which overall helps us combat inflammation. And higher gut diversity improves how the immune system is regulated. So when we do experience inflammation, if we have a healthy gut biome, we'll be much more likely to respond and recover from acute inflammation rather than it becoming a chronic situation. Higher gut diversity can also improve mood and also reduce our chance of infection or chance of having serious infections. So another way besides eating locally and in season that helps promote gut diversity is to eat foods that are high in something called polyphenols. Polyphenols are a chemical component to foods that help feed the gut bacteria that we want to promote. So you can think of berries, and I've listed the berries here: elderberry, blackberry, blueberry, black currant. You can think of herbs and spices that are polyphenol rich. So clove, peppermint, anise, oregano, thyme, rosemary are some of the highest ones. Cocoa powder is an example of one. Different vegetables are higher in polyphenols, especially onions and shallots and garlic. Olives are very high, and tea is also very high.